Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the NOT gate and how to use the NOT gate to turn on the LED. So let's first grab the breadboard. And then I'm going to use two resistors, one for the output, one for the input. One LED, 9-volt battery, five-volt regulator, dip switch, and obviously the IC chip, which is 7404. And we also know one thing, that the NOT gate is known as the inverter. Another name for the NOT gate, you can say. So I'm going to change the value of the resistor to 330 ohm for both of them, obviously. And then I'm going to place one of my resistor for the output here, for the input here, and then my IC chip. My resistor goes here. I'll prefer it like that. So let's first work with the IC chip. So for the power, it's going to go to the power supply, which I would prefer to be red. For the ground, you can see I'm going to put it to the ground. And then here's one input, so I'm going to connect it with the resistor for my input. And for the output, so here the anode will be connected to the one of the terminal of the resistor. The cathode will be connected to the ground. Prefer to be black, the wire. And then for the output, it's gonna go to the resistor. And then I need the dip switch. I'm gonna connect it to the power supply. Let's connect those, the ground, and then the power supply. Now let's work with the battery. Negative goes to the ground. And for the 5-volt regulator, the positive will go to the input. This is the ground of the regulator, will be connected to the ground of the breadboard. The output will be to the power supply. That's it. And let's check. Let's start the simulation. Oopsie. You guys can see that when the dip switch is off, the power is on. But when I'm gonna on it, it's gonna be off. Because obviously NOT gate is an inverter, so when the switch is on, it's going to be off, the output is going to be off. When the input is off, the output is going to be on. So this is how we can test the characteristic of the IC chip and also build the circuit to get the output or turn on the LED. And we can use a 5-volt regulator to change the value of the 9-volt battery to 5-volt battery. So if I use a multimeter, for example, let me get a multimeter. I'm going to see one thing, that the value of my resistor because there is no power, so it's going to be 0 volt. When there is power, I have to change the wiring. That's why it's coming negative. So when I'm going to do this and one terminal to the cathode, I'm going to get 4.64. It's close to 5, right? 5 volt. So it's gonna show that how the voltage is divided into the resistor and the bulb. If you guys like my video, please like and subscribe, and if you guys have any concern about the video, please comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching.